I had a difficult childhood, but I was determined to make something for myself. And through continuous education and determination, I've achieved my aims and goals. My name is Kunal. I've been in the marine industry for over 18 years and counting. I recently graduated from my master's degree program. When I was 17, after I completed my Nitec course in precision engineering, I signed up with the Singapore Navy and I was awarded a sponsorship to pursue the Higher Nitec course. While in the Navy, my curiosity would drive me to learn as much as I can. I decided to further my studies because I knew there was more needed from me, and I made a difficult decision to leave the Navy after 12 years of service. I started to question if I had made the right decision. It was a very stressful time, but I told myself to never give up. I had a burning desire to succeed, and I knew I could if I persisted. A new opportunity arrived where I developed myself as a project lead, managing projects in the marine sector. I continued studying for 4 or 5 days a week for my bachelor's degree at PSB Academy. With sacrifices and hard work, I graduated with an upper second class. I did not stop there as I continued to pursue my master's in engineering management. PSB Academy has allowed me to gain valuable lessons in mentorship and management strategy, so I can lead others in the same way I am nurtured, and continue to manage projects that help the needy, embracing the industry to be agile and to adapt to change. My ambition is to teach the newer generations to lead, to develop kids and prepare them for a brighter, changing future. Although this has been my personal journey, somewhere down the road, I know it will benefit others as I pass on my traits and knowledge.